Now here you can actually see the effects of the pinch roller, which seems to have some grooves in it and is slightly rounded. I'm going to put it in play, and then you should be able to see this here where I got the screwdriver. You can see the tape like moving back and forth on the pinch roller right there, right where I got the tip of the screwdriver. And also, I don't have the loudspeakers hooked up now, but you can actually hear this. You get like a, it sounds like basically sounds like a dropout. So that is a serious degradation of sound quality. In order to take off the pinch roller, this clip here has to come off. I'm actually using 2 screwdrivers now to get this thing off. There it finally went. And once the clip is off, this should come right off. There is a spring here. Once the pinch roller is put back on, that spring has to be put back into position. But that's not really a problem. You can see right now the spring has, because of the tension of the spring, it has actually moved. The pinch roller actually has some slight grooves in it, so I'm going to see if I have a replacement. Now here's how I'm getting out the actual shaft of the pinch roller. I'm just using a little, this is like a little Allen head screwdriver. I've got a specially made nail with a blunted end, but I can't find it, and then I'm just slowly hitting it with the hammer and trying to get it out. Of course, it'd be better if I had some kind of like a little jig set up. I could put this thing to stabilize this and to make sure I don't bend this down, but I don't have anything like that, so I'm just going to have to take that risk here. I don't want to bend anything, and then very carefully okay, it's slowly coming out. There it goes. And then I'm going to put I've got a new pinch roller, and I'm going to oil it up a little bit before I put it in, and then I'll put it back into the unit and see if that makes a difference, because it did look like the tape was riding just a little bit. It would be coming across here and just moving back and forth, but I think that should take care of it. Now I'm going to apply a tiny dab of oil. Yeah, I might add that I think that this pin only goes in one way. It's the way I hammered it out. If you see here, it goes through. But if I try to put it in from the top here, it's not going. So I would say this is the way to do it. So I managed to put the assembly back together without getting oil everywhere and without bending anything up. And this piece just, let me see, here it goes in like this. Then I'm going to take my finger and push down on the spring and then slowly bring it back into position. There's also a little groove that everything goes into, which I think I'm in there. And then there it is. All I have to do now is put the clip back on. In order to put the clip back on, I'm just going to go ahead and put it in position and use this right here and then push it into place. Also, I might add, if you take this clip off, be sure you put it like in a really safe spot, because this thing is super light and it can get lost like really quick. And here you can actually see me putting the clip back on. I've actually put it into position, and I'm just going to take my tool and then press, and right there it's basically on. Now it can be seen that let me zoom in here, that the tape here is no longer riding back and forth like it was. It's nice and steady now. So basically, I think if you have a problem with the tape riding up and down, first thing I would do is look here at the cap stand or look at the pinch roller, see what's going on with that.